All right, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can use something called Google Image Search on your Chrome browser. So let's get started. So right here I have a web page, the Smithsonian Magazine, and say I wanted to have more information about this image. Maybe I want to know where this is at, or maybe I want to search more images like this. Maybe I want to know what kind of glasses he's wearing, maybe what type of backpack that is, or what kind of cat. I'm going to show you how you can search this image in different ways so that you can get more information from it. So what you're going to do is you are going to either right click, or you can two-finger click on the trackpad. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get a prompt that says search images with Google. And once you do that, you click on it. Up top, it says select image area to search. I select the whole image, and in the right-hand side here, it says Google Lens, which is what we're going to be using. And I can choose what I want to search. Maybe I want to search this gentleman here. I can look up his backpack. It comes up. If I click over here, I can move this around and get different searches. Maybe I want to know, this looks familiar. Where is it located? Maybe a different website. Diablo Canyon, it looks like. Maybe I want to move it over here. So I can move my lens anywhere on this page to get more information about it. I can even bring it in a little bit tighter. Maybe I want to see if I can see what his sunglasses look like. And I can get something called Maui Gyms or whatever. And I can use this as a way to search within an image things that I want to know about. Maybe I want to even know a type of cat that is. So all you cat people, it's a cat. The cat breed is called a van cat. I don't know if that's true or not. We click on it. Say I want to take this text and I want to translate it real quick. So if I right click or two-finger click down on the trackpad, click on search images, and you'll notice that I can select this again, and then right here it'll still look at it as an image, and I could maybe find something else that goes along with it. But if I click on text and select it all, I can listen to it.
My 3-year-old cat spends most of her time lounging by the window. It faces the high branches of the tree outside our apartment, and she stares intently out.
I can't really see what words are being selected. So there's a little bit of a space here. If I move it bigger, I can actually see what is being read to me. I can listen to it again.
My 3-year-old cat spends most of her time lounging by the window.
Okay. And then also I could translate it. Translate it here also. Maybe I want it in Albanian, and here I can listen to it again, now in Albanian. Say I find a website that has some foreign language on it. Say we want to know what this sign says. So what I could do is right click, select, maybe I want to select this one. Let's go to translate. There it is. No passing. Danger works in progress. Another great use for this is that if we were looking up maybe a handwritten note, I want to take this text and I want it to be able to edit it, or I want to select it and paste it somewhere. So if I get right click or two-finger on the trackpad, search image, I'm going to select this note. All it is a picture. It's going to do it. First thing it's going to do is going to do an image search. We don't really want to know anything about that. We want to basically select the text. I can copy the text and paste it somewhere. I can listen to it.
Hello, Simply Noted has developed incredible proprietary robotic technology.
All right. So, but also we can translate this. Even though it's a handwritten note, we can translate this to a different language by just clicking here. We don't have to go outside and open it and translate if we want to. We want to hear Filipino. It translated the handwriting.
Kumusta? Simply Noted ay nabuo.
Again, post it, paste it wherever you want. I hope this was a beneficial tutorial for you. If you have any questions, just let me know.